Hello and welcome to Wiper Haus. Today we're installing BOSCH ICON wiper blades on the 2018 to 2024 Audi Q5. Immediately you'll notice there isn't a lot of room to work here and the driver's wiper is quite a reach. Let's put the wipers in service position so we can work on them a lot easier. Inside the car with the key, press the start button. A few seconds later, press the start button again to turn the car off. Now you can tap the wiper stalk down twice and the wipers will come up and stop. This is the wipers in service position. I like to put a thick towel down to protect the glass from the bare arms. Okay, finally to the wiper blade part. Press the square button to release the wiper arm. Some type of wiper blades won't come off with just pressing the button. You'll have to rock the wiper blade up to release it like this. At Wiper Haus, we install the adapters for you so they arrive ready to click in. If you bought them somewhere else, follow the instructions and definitely wear eye protection. To install, simply slide the adapter in and make sure it clicks. Back in the car with the key, turn the car on by pressing the start button. Hold the wiper stalk down to move the wipers back down. And there you have it, BOSCH ICON wiper blades installed on a 2018 to 2024 Audi Q5. Be sure to check us out, link in the description.